In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure payment gateways in Webflow. This process will make it easier to handle transactions on your website, ensuring smooth and efficient payment processing for your customers. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Webflow's website. Whether you're already familiar with this platform or you're new to it, Webflow offers a comprehensive suite for creating custom websites, making it an ideal tool for many creators and businesses. The process starts by going to Webflow's homepage where you can access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. Click on it to enter your credentials. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. Webflow offers a seamless recovery process. After successfully logging in, you're headed to the heart of our configuration journey, the dashboard. This is where you manage all your projects, check the status of your workflows, and make the necessary adjustments to your website settings. In the dashboard, you'll see a list of projects. Select the project you want to configure with a payment gateway. This takes us one step closer to completing the setup. With your chosen project open, look for a tab or section titled CMS and click on it. This section is relevant because it manages the content you intend to publish. And it's also where you integrate different functionalities like payment gateways. Next, navigate your way to the Settings section. This is where you'll find all the options necessary to tailor your project to your specific needs, including billing and integration settings. It's important to get accustomed to this section, as it holds many keys to customizing your website operation. With Settings open, turn your attention to the Payment Methods option. Clicking on this will present you the choices you have for processing payments through Webflow. You're almost at the finish line now. Here, you get to decide which payment methods you want to offer to your customers. It's worth considering various options to cater to a broad customer base, ensuring they have a convenient payment experience. After deciding on the payment methods, look for the Add Payment Method prompt and click it. This allows you to input details for each payment method you're including, whether it's a credit card processor or another online service. Be sure to follow the guidelines closely within this section to secure an accurate setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured payment gateways in Webflow, setting up your project to handle transactions smoothly. Remember, maintaining the security and efficiency of your payment processes is vital for customer trust and satisfaction. Thank you for watching. And don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below if you need further clarification.